I'm getting ready to go to an art show and I need to fix a few paintings on their backs. We start with double-sided Scotch tape, an X-Acto knife, and a painting that needs backing. So I flip it over and I'm going to put the double-sided tape on all four sides. I like to have my artwork looking nice when I take it someplace. I don't like to see, and this is my personal preference, I don't like to see just a bare back of the back of the frame. I really like it to be finished, to have a professional look. So this is the way that I do it. So I get all four sides with tape all the way around, and it takes a little while. That's a double-sided Scotch tape. I've tried a number of different tapes. This is a pretty good tape. I really do like it a lot. And you just have to get it all the way across on all four sides. Sometimes it sticks to your hands. Sometimes I need to use my X-Acto knife end to hold it down so I can let go of it. Okay, so now we need some paper. I have some brown paper. This is like a craft paper. I think I actually got this gigantic roll at like a Home Depot or something. And now I'm just trying to line one flat edge up with one flat edge of the painting. So once I get that really good, now I'm going to press it all the way down to engage that tape all the way around, get a nice finish. Now this painting's not going to be framed, but I still like it to be finished. Now I'm going to cut the edge. I use that big ruler, and I'm going to use my X-Acto knife and cut straight across. And I'm going to even up all four sides. Here comes this one. I just push the paper down to find out where the edge is. Okay, it just comes right off. There you go. Now I've got one little side here that needs to be squared up. And I push that paper down to find the edge and let her rip. Maybe not rip, but you know. And I'm going to take that edge off there. And so that's finished. Okay, doesn't that look so much better on that back with that paper on there? Now we're going to put the hooks on there. I'm just figuring out where the top is. So I make myself a little arrow that this is the top, because I've not done that before and I've gotten the thing on the wrong end. Now I'm going to measure off 1/3 the length. Actually, it's the height. So it's 1/3, whatever it is. If it's 12 inches, now you got a 4-inch place there. These are and I don't show you this very well, shame on Sharon. It's a hook that has like a D hook. And you just drill them in there. If this old girl can do it, anybody can do it. So you just get them both lined up. One side looks more right than the other, but I don't really think it matters. Whoops, there it goes. I hold on to them so that they don't tighten down with the edge of the D-ring off the side of the painting. Here comes the wire. I'm just going to hook it into one side, and then I twist it really tight to make sure that it's good and tight. And sometimes I have to use a needle nose pliers to really clamp it down. Here we go. We're going to cut it. I've made a basic measurement as to how long it is. It needs to be sort of loose, but not too loose. It needs to not go above the top of the painting. So there I'm getting that other end all wrapped around there. And this is, now see how much better that looks? Oh, look, I still have that little arrow at the top. Okay, so you can just wipe it off. That's it. It's with soft fine charcoal.